During the rise of growth, the blast disease that occurs in the plant is a major problem faced by the farmer and causes huge loss apart from other problems like pesticides and environmental factors. Although several methods are available to detect disease in the crop like image processing method and remote sensing method, but the accuracy of such system is poor. That's why we developed masked RCNN model to recognize the leaf blast in its first phase to avoid the damage of rice plants. Depending on the dataset which we have trained, the accuracy of the model is 80 to 90%. Let's have a look at the practical implementation of Python code on Jupyter Notebook. To buy this project, you can contact or you can also share any project idea to get proper guidance. Thank you.